Oh yeah, that's rough.
Of just axle nuts just out. You know, my nuts out right now.
Thing's looking good.
Isn't it illegal to take tags off Master? I never make this mistake, like never make this mistake. It's like leaving my wallet at home, but I left my camera at home yesterday on a Monday and we had a really exciting build coming into the shop. Thankfully it was raining, so there wasn't a whole lot of filming that I could have done anyway, but I want to give you guys an update on where the truck is at. Truck got dropped off, tear down started, 2814 KG1 spreaders getting mounted on some 37 1450 28 Fury MTs. It's getting a 9-inch chrome FTS lift. Absolutely beautiful. If you're doing big polished wheels, you gotta have the big polished chrome faceplate on the front. It's just freaking beautiful and I love it. The 2814s do come with the floating center caps from KG1, which are absolutely beautiful as well. Like I said, it was rainy yesterday. Not a lot of content that was going to be filmed regardless. Chauncey did get his wheels and tires mounted up yesterday, his new 26x16s and 405s, which is cool. So I'm going to throw a clip in the video of that as well. Chauncey just dropped his truck off to get his new 405s and 26x16 Amanis put on the truck. Thing's looking good. Thing looks really good actually. And we're starting the day off right with the Chick-fil-A. I got my camera today though, so get his bread. Day's been made.
How come?
I got my camera today, that's why. I left my camera at home yesterday and it felt like I didn't have my wallet. So I have to expose the customer for a minute. This guy has built this truck like 3 times. We did a 6-inch rough country and some 24s, and then we did some 24x12 KG1s on it and he wasn't happy with it. And he finally came in and said that he was tired of playing around and he wants to build his dream truck, so that's what we did. 9-inch FTS chrome front cross member. Did we end up doing the, I don't know how I feel about the backing plate. We're gonna have to, it throws some color into it. We've never done that one before, so we're gonna have to see how that looks. And then a 2814 KG1 spreader. It's KG1's best wheel. I'm gonna leave this one for you. Anything 2024 Denali gets good views on YouTube. I'm not a big fan of this. I don't know why. Let me know if you disagree with me. And if y'all are in the comments hating on me, I don't care. I'm not a big fan of the 2024 Denali. Jake's looking at me funny back there. I guess he likes them. Do you like the 24s?
I like them. I think the 26 are better. Chrome would be like the ultimate choice for this, for me.
I think the part that bothers me with these is I know that we can't put 14 wides on them, and you can't make them wide. I think every one we've done has been skinny, and I don't.
Anything that comes with that chrome grill though is a win for me.
The chrome grill is definitely better than the Vader chrome, yes. But this front end, I definitely like the high country front end a lot better. The Denali's just don't do it for me. Something about the headlights, something about the...
You know that this is a...
I don't know. But this one is a customer's truck. We did a, what, 5-inch BDS?
Was he messing with me when he told me it was a gas burner? It says 6.6 on the side.
No, that was a different truck yesterday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we saw a truck online that was like $40,000 cheaper than what it was supposed to be, and it was something. Yeah, remember the 2500 was like $55,000, and it was a gas truck, all kinds of... Dealerships are crooked, is all I'm trying to tell you. But we finished this one up yesterday. That one's...
You're giving me like Chipper Jones vibes or something up here today.
You like this? I got the cheddar with the hamburger meat hanging out. Yeah, a little baby Cuban. You like that? He's gonna like this. He's gonna like this. What's that shirt that you got on? I like that shirt actually. Here.
This is the OG shirt.
I like that shirt. Flawless whips.
I like it.
With a Southern Tire hat.
This is the same shirt we made the Southern Tire shirts out of.
Really?
Same material.
I'm a little upset because anything that's not the comfort colors, I've upgraded to an extra large because they shrink.
I have to at least wear one Southern Tire item up here though.
Brandon gives me crap when I wear Southern Tire stuff now.
Really?
Yeah, he said something to me about it.
Yeah, it kind of.
Oh man, you're actually wearing Southern Tire today. You ever felt like you were leaving the tag on a mattress with this? You ever felt like that? Like, you ever wanted to just take the tags off, but you leave them on there because it's like a mattress?
No, I'm always pulling tags off everything.
Isn't it illegal to take tags off mattresses?
I leave tags on my tires. That way people in the traffic can tell that I got new tires.
Ooh, my knees start to crack a little bit. I'm getting old. 28 by 14 KG1 spreader with the floating center. Man, it must be nice to have floating center caps, huh? Man, it must be nice to have center caps at all.
Oh yeah, you still got you're riding hub showing, aren't you?
Hub just axle nuts just out. You know, my nuts out right now.
I don't know how the axle nuts there.
I don't know. Anyway, 2814 KG1 spreader. Not because I have this wheel, but this is one of my favorite designs that KG1 does. Chrome spike lug nuts, float center cap. I really like the way this wheel looks in the 2814. Fury's got the best tire possible in the 37s for the 28s, 26s, 30s. Hopefully they do 32s at some point. I didn't know what you were doing. He got me with this behind us. Anyway, 37s, Furies, 28s. It's the perfect combination with the 9-inch Chrome FTS. I think the customer is going to be really happy with it. All right, let's go. Bow time. Watch the bullet in the freeze. Not that I need it, because I'm trying to eat better, but the beautiful people down there at O'Reilly's, Johnny and Gus in particular. Hold on, look, I'm the customer now and he's on the other side. I want to give a shout out to Johnny and Gus from O'Reilly's for bringing the boys some pizza down here. They spared no expense. I don't even know if we're gonna be able to eat all this today. What's box number 1? I'm just gonna open up box number 1. Ooh. Yeah, I'm doing it. Yeah, I'm doing it. Meat, get you a box.
Oh, there's one box just for him.
Just for meat?
Just for me.
It's meat lovers just for meat?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Ooh, what is this?
That was probably the Philly cheese.
Yeah, Philly cheese.
Oh, you got this.
Yeah,
we do things big at O'Reilly.
I'm gonna be a fat boy today. I'm just letting y'all know. Shout out to O'Reilly's for the food today. That's fire. They had Jimmy's truck towed up here. Jimmy got into a little accident the other day, or it's probably been about a month ago. Truck has officially been totaled, so this will be the last time that it's on the channel, but it's the only time I've been able to see the damage. So obviously the bed's tore up. He took the wheels and tires off. Front end's tore up. Oh yeah, that's rough. Dang, Jimmy. That's rough. I'm glad he was all right. Took the mirror out. Took the bed out. Whole front of it. They said the lift kit was bent too. That was half the reason I wanted to come, is because I really wanted to see if the lift kit was bent. Cross member looks all right. Oh yeah, look. Yeah, look, you see the curve of the cross member? How the front here is like, the front here on the driver's side is like pushed in a little bit. That's what they're talking about. R.I.P. to Forgiato Jimmy. I know that he has plans to build something else, but it was the only time I was gonna be able to get to see the truck before it gets scrapped. Tailgate, that's the word I'm looking for. Tailgate's messed up. All jokes aside, I'm glad you're all right, Jimmy. I just wanted to see the truck. This is the perfect example of not doing too much to a truck and doing just enough for it to be different, but still look absolutely amazing. There's only 3 things that we did to this truck. We did a 9-inch chrome FTS lift, or chrome front crossmember FTS lift, which, I mean, you can't really beat the chrome crossmember. I wish Mcgaughys did a chrome crossmember. And we did wheels and tires. That's it. 28 by 14 KG1 spreader, one of their best designs ever. That's why I have it on my truck. Over here in the red, you can't really see it because it's in the dark or it's in the shade. 28 by 14 KG1 spreader, chrome lug nuts with the shallow floating center cap. Such a smooth spinning cap. I absolutely love it. 37, 14, 50, 28 Fury MT1. Fury has the best tire for anything. 24, 26, 28, 30 in the country. It's the best brand. It's like the standard for big sizes like that. So we gotta run Furies on these. It's clean and simple. It's a Denali, comes with all the chrome accents. You really don't have to do much to it. You do lift kits, wheels, and tires. Cost a good bit because 28s are expensive. Chrome cross members expensive. The best example, in my opinion, of not doing too much to a truck but still making it look and feel like a show truck. If you're not looking to do a million things to a truck and still make it look nice, put a nice lift kit and jump up to 28s. We can still do, because these are 37s, we can still do a 8, 9, 10 inch lift with 28s and still put a 37 and do the same amount of cutting as a 26 by 14 and 37. That's what's so cool to me. So I think later on in the year, as the year goes on, as we start to do some of these 28s, I think the 28 by 14 and 28 by 16 will become the industry standard because of the Fury 37 for the 28. You liking the 26s or you liking the 28s? I think I'm leaning a little more towards 28s now. I really do think 28s are gonna become the new wave because that looks just so damn good. There was one thing I wanted to show y'all before we leave. We did do a black backing plate behind the FTS logo. I don't know if y'all can tell. Normally there's nothing back there, but there's black back there this time. And I actually think it turned out really good. Gives it a little bit of color up front, a little bit of contrast on the cross member. I think the only other thing that might have matched that a little bit is doing like a black lug nut maybe. Now that actually might not have been bad to do a black spike lug nut on that to match the backing plate. I don't know, sometimes I get. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. The video off today, I wanted to show you guys the TRX that we did. We put some 26 by 12 JTX silencer, all gloss black with the 35 1350 26 Fury MT. Fury's got one of my favorite tires right now for anything 24, 26, 28, 30, and that 26 by 12 JTX. JTX has a super nice gloss black powder coat. They do offer the gloss black and milled, and then they offer polished obviously as well. That all gloss black that they offer with the black spike lug nuts, and you got the freaking floating center caps on it. It really doesn't get much better than that. The TRXs are really cool. Look at the badge on the side of that TRX. It's got the little T-Rex on the side. That's so freaking cool. He came in driving the hell out of this thing in the parking lot, and I know he's gonna give these Furies hell on the way home today, but I want to show you guys something a little bit different, something for my Ram fans on the channel, something for my Ford fans on the channel. I know you guys are always wanting to see more content, so anytime it comes through, I always try and show love to you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the content today. I've got some new merch dropping soon. Make sure you guys stay tuned. 52,000 subscribers. I love you guys. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.